G'day, I'm Alex from Kallipr, and today I was going to talk to you about how rugged, reliable and tough our S2 device is, but rather than talk about it, I thought I'd show you instead. S2 isn't just tough enough to survive your use case, it's tough enough to be driven over. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it just looks like superficial damage. I mean, our tamper-proof seal is snapped off. There's a bit of it there. But there's no real structural cracks or anything like that. I'm sure this will still hold up to IP testing, but that wasn't super scientific. So let's head to the Boeing lab where we really put this thing through its paces. And as you can see in the footage, our S2 device is going through rigorous shock testing of up to 25 Gs, which simulates extreme conditions like explosions, crashes and hard landings. And as one of our engineers put it, that's like being hit with a sledgehammer or a pipe wrench. And I bet you can guess what we're going to do in part 2.